Hello students, my name is Bharti. Welcome you all to the class. Today's topic, correction of errors in sentences, and these questions are taken from Junior Inter Telangana State Board textbook. Here is the first one. He is more better than she. More better than she. Better itself is in comparative form. Good, better, best. Better itself is comparative form of adjective, so which need not to use more here. Now more is a superfluous. Correct answer is he is better than she. Moving to next question. She has been helping the poor. Poor, it is an adjective and it is a noun also. So as an adjective, we can say like poor boy or poor people. Now here, poor, it is given as a noun. Poor as a noun, both singular and plural, it doesn't take S form. So poor singular and plural also poor. So what is the correct answer? She has been helping the poor is the correct answer. Moving to next one. The two first chapters are very interesting. Here, first, second, third, these are ordinal numbers, and 1, 2, 3, etc. These are cardinal numbers. Now, ordinal numbers tells about the order. It tells which order. Okay, it answers the question how many, whereas ordinal numbers answer the question which order. Coming to the order of adjective, before noun we should use cardinal numbers. Here it is a noun, chapters. Now how many chapters do we have? 2. Right before noun, cardinal number comes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and after that comes ordinal numbers, first, second, third, fourth, etc. Not the two first chapters, it has to be the first two chapters are very interesting is the correct answer. Now moving to next one. Now can you try to find out error in this sentence? She was not smart early. Early means before the expected time. Early, it is an adjective. What is the adverb form of early? Adverb form of early is earlier. And what does it mean? Earlier means before the time. Sentence is, she was not smart earlier. She was not smart. Smart is an adjective. Now this early is talking about an adjective. So the word that tells about an adjective has to be an adverb, right? So we need an adverb here, not an adjective. Now what is the adverb form of early? It is earlier. Correct answer is she was not smart earlier. Hope you understood. Next one, she hasn't written much stories. Okay, here much is used for uncountable nouns. Now what is used for countable nouns? It has to be many. Many used for countable nouns. Now here stories. Is it countable or non-countable noun? It is a countable noun because we have plural form of story. It is a countable noun. So countable noun takes many, not much. So answer here is many. So he hasn't written many stories is the correct answer. Next one. Ooty is cool than Tirupati. Now sentence is in comparative form, right? Ooty is compared with Tirupati. Here cool is a positive degree. Cool is a positive degree. Cooler, comparative degree, and coolest is superlative degree. As we know, the sentence is in comparative form because the word than is used in comparative form, right? And we are comparing Ooty with Tirupati. So we need comparative form of an adjective. So what is a comparative form of cool? It is cooler. So correct answer is Ooty is cooler than Tirupati. Next one, as there are only few students, I can interact with them easily. Few is a quantifier and it refers to countable nouns. Now let's see the difference between few, a few and the few. Okay, few emphasizes a small number of something or hardly any. Few is used in negative connotation. Now what is the meaning of a few? A few means some. The few means not many but whatever there is. Few, a few and the few. Now few means hardly any or very little. A few means some. Okay, the few means also not many, but whatever there is. No. Now few is used as a quantifier and few is used with countable nouns. Now here, as there are only few students, it means it is used in negative connotation, right? It means there are no students. If there are no students, how can I interact with them, right? So there has to be some students, then only I can interact with them. So here in place of few, we need a few. As there are only a few students, I can interact with them easily is the correct answer. Next one, my all friends are very active. Okay, possessive pronoun comes right before a noun. Now what is a noun here? Friends. And what is a possessive pronoun? My. Possessive pronoun should come right before a noun. So all my friends are very active is the correct answer. Next one, Gandhiji is more truthful than any political leader. So here the sentence is in comparative form. Gandhi is compared with other political leaders. So we need to compare Gandhi with other political leaders. Here Gandhi is more truthful than any other political leader is the correct answer. Next one, lion is the king of beasts. Here lion is used to refer the entire class. Lion is used as an example of a class. Lion refers to entire class of lions. When you are using a noun as an example of a class, we should use article the. Now here, the lion is the king of beasts is the correct answer. Now moving to next one. Raghu is my older brother. Words like older and elder both describe someone with the higher age. Now old is our positive form. Older, oldest, old, elder, eldest. Now when to use older and when to use elder. Older implies age, whereas elder implies seniority. And older is used to both people and things, whereas elder is used only for people of same family. Here Raghu is my older brother. Family member and he is a person. So instead of older, we should use elder. Raghu is my elder brother is correct answer. Now here is the next one. Sania Mirza is more popular than any tennis player. Sania Mirza is compared with other tennis players, right? So here we need any other tennis player. So Sania Mirza is more popular than any other tennis player is the correct answer. Here is the next question on the screen. The streets of Hyderabad are wider than Warangal. We are comparing the streets of Hyderabad with Warangal. Warangal is a place, right? So we need to compare the streets of Hyderabad with the streets of Warangal. The streets of Hyderabad are wider than that of Warangal. Now when you are using that of, it means the streets of. So the streets of Hyderabad need to be compared with the streets of Warangal. Now answer is the streets of Hyderabad are wider than that of Warangal. Next one, of the two, this is the best article I have ever read. Here comparison between only two. Now when there is a comparison between two, no superlative degree. Okay. Now when you are comparing between two people, either it has to be in comparative form or it has to be in positive form. So we don't have a superlative form when you are comparing two nouns. Instead of the best, we need comparative form of best, and comparative form of best is better. So of the two, this is the better article I have ever read is the correct answer. Next question is on the screen. My brother is working in tribal area. My brother is working in a tribal area is the correct answer. I have an urgent business. Urgent, do not take any article. Here it has to be I have urgent business. No article need to be used. Or you can write I have some urgent business. Either I have some urgent business or I have urgent business is the correct answer. Next question. Kaleshwaram project is built on Godavari. Now Godavari is the name of a river. According to the article's rules, the need to be used before the name of a river. So here it has to be Kaleshwaram project is built on the Godavari is the correct answer. Next question. Moon is very bright today. Moon is a specific one, only one of its kind. Something which is unique or only one of its kind, we must use article the. So moon is a unique thing. So we must use article the. The moon is very bright. The moon, the sky, the planet, the universe. So all these are only one of its kinds or unique things. So we must use article the before something which is unique. Next question. I shall be visiting UK next month. UK, this name is given to group of countries. UK signifies more than one unit. When a name of any country signifies more than one unit, we must use the. So I shall be visiting the UK next month is the correct answer. Now here is the next question. Himalayas form the northern boundary of India. Now according to the rule of articles, the is used before the names of mountain, range or chain. Now Himalayas is a name given to a range of mountain. It's not a single mountain, it's a range of mountains. So since Himalayas is a name given to range of mountains, it takes an article the. The Himalayas form the northern boundary of India is correct answer. If it is given like Mount Everest, can we use the? No. Mount Everest is a name given to single mountain. Now here is the next question. We should love the nature. Nature is an abstract noun. Article is not used before an abstract noun and nature is an abstract noun. So nature doesn't take any article. So use of the before an abstract noun is wrong. So the answer is we should love nature. Next question. The Calcutta is a big city. Calcutta is a proper noun and it is a name given to single state. So Calcutta do not take any article. Usage of the is wrong. Here it has to be Calcutta is a big city. Next sentence on the screen. I have read Ramayana thrice. Ramayana is a religious book. Before the names of religious books, we should use article the. It has to be the Ramayana, the Bible, the Gita. Okay, here the rule is before the names of religious books, we must use article the. So I have read the Ramayana thrice is the correct answer. Next question. David goes to the church every Sunday. Words like church, temple, school, hospital, college, prison, when these are used for their primary purpose, article is not used. You can use article before these words if you are talking about specific, right? Yesterday, I went to a church. The church was very old and beautiful. So, we can use the to talk about a specific church, a specific temple. But when you are using these places for their primary purpose, we should not use article. So here usage of the before church is wrong. So correct answer is David goes to church every Sunday is the correct answer. Moving to next one. The gold is a precious metal. Gold is a substance. Before the names of substances, in a general sense, we should not use any article. Use of the before gold is an error. So here it has to be gold is a precious metal. Hope you understood. Now moving to next question. Yours obediently. Now this is one of the mistake I have seen most of the students committing. Yours is second person possessive pronoun like hers, my, his, ours, its, theirs. All these are possessive pronouns. Hers is a third person possessive pronoun. My first person. His again third person. Ours first person possessive pronoun. So all these possessive pronouns we should not use apostrophe s, right? Similarly, yours itself is a second person possessive pronoun. Usage of apostrophe between r and s is wrong. It has to be yours obediently. Next question, drink water which tastes better. Now, which is a relative pronoun. Now we have which and that. Generally we are confused either to use which or to use that. Which is used for animals and things only, whereas that is used for animals, things and also people. Which and that both can be used for animals and things, right? Now which one to use in what case? Now we use which when the clause is non-defining. When there is a comma, we have to use which. That is used with defining or essential clause. What is non-defining and what is defining clause? For example, the chair, comma, which is broken is kept in the storeroom. Now how many chairs do we have? We have only one. Now here which is broken, it's not essential. I just wanted to emphasize the chair, so I have used which is broken. So we call it non-essential or non-defining clause. Non-defining. Now how to identify whether it is defining or non-defining? Use of comma. Comma is used in non-defining clause. If there is no comma, it is defining clause. In such case we have to use that. So here the chair that is broken is kept in the storeroom. Hope you understood difference between non-defining and defining clause and when to use which and when to use that. Clear? Now coming back to our sentence, drink water which tastes better. Now we don't have a comma, sentence is defining or essential clause, right? So in defining clauses we use relative pronoun that, not which. Drink water that tastes better is the correct answer. Next, a black and white cat are following me. A black and white cat is our subject. How many cats are here? Are these two cats or do we have only one cat? Now how to identify whether there are two cats or only one cat? Use of article. If article is used for both nouns, then here we have two cats. But here article is used only for one noun. It means we have only one cat. A black and white cat means one black and white cat. So subject is singular and singular subject takes singular verb. So a black and white cat is following me is the correct answer. Next, most male deers have horns like antlers. Deer, plural form is deer. Both singular and plural form deer only. Deer do not have S form. Okay, so here most male deer have horns like antlers is the correct answer. Next, most passerbys observe the accident. Compound nouns, first word takes plural form. Now here S is used to second word which is wrong. Now what is the correct answer? Passers. S need to be used to first word. Passers by. Most passers by observe the accident is the correct answer. Here is the next question. The athlete ran a 4 miles race. When word mile is preceded by any number, it do not take plural form. The athlete ran a 4-mile race is the correct answer. Here is the next question. Mumps are a kind of diseases. Names of certain diseases like mumps, measles, they are singular nouns. Mumps, though it look like plural, it is singular noun. So mumps is a kind of disease is the correct answer. Next sentence. Are you smelling anything bad? Certain words in English do not take ing form. Words that do not take ing form are names of feelings like hate, like, love, prefer, want, wish. All these words do not take ing forms. Similarly, senses like smell, feel, appear, hear, taste, sound. All these words do not take ing forms. Words refers to thinking like know, believe, imagine, remember, understand, realize, recognize do not take ing forms. Now here smell comes under names of senses. So smell has no ing form. Use of ing form to the word smell is wrong. Right? So what should we need? We need just smell. When you are writing smell, we should not use be form, is, am, are, was, or were. Now, here to make it a question, we should take the help of do. Do you smell anything bad is the correct answer. Next sentence, I am knowing them for the last many years. Now, know has no ing form. We cannot use knowing. Instead, we should use know. When you are not using ing form, is, am, are, was, were should not be used. So instead, I have known them for the last many years is the correct answer. Next sentence, he has returned from Dubai a month ago. Okay, sentence is in present perfect tense. To talk about past action, we use either present perfect or simple past. Both present perfect tense and simple past tense are used to talk about past action. So which tense need to be used to talk about which past action? When time of action is not mentioned, we should use present perfect. So when time of action is mentioned, we should use simple past. So here he has returned. When did he return? He returned last month. So here time of action is mentioned. We should use the sentence in simple past, not present perfect. To make it simple past, we should remove has. He returned from Dubai a month ago is the correct answer. Next sentence, this is my cousin sister. This is one of the very common mistakes we commit when we speak. Cousin do not take either sister or brother. So the answer is this is my cousin. Hope the class was useful and you have learned something. Thank you so much for choosing this channel to learn English. I will be back with some more English lessons. Till then, take care. See you again. Thank you so much.